Yeah. So I draw here the circle. First, make a circle. Okay. After circle, can create the nose. Okay, like this. This is the beak. This is the beak, and this is the eyes. In this eye, it is eyes line. Okay, this is the eyes line. In this eyes line, make eyes like one eyes. This is eyes line, so can create one eyes, and here the two eyes.
Excuse me, sir, how to make the
Big, big beta.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I share you. Very simple. Just make it like curved line. So this is the head, right? So make it this is the nose line, this is the eyes line. There's a big line, this is the eyes line. Big line and eyes line. In this big line, you just make it like this one curved line. One curved line, and this is one, two. This is a big one, two. Okay. And here you can make it dark. This is the big. Understood? In this eyes line, I draw the eyeball. Okay. We make eyeball, and this is the head. Okay, this is heads. And now I make another small birds. This. Okay. That's like one eyes, two eyes.
That is this puffin rock.
Yes, this is Puffin Rock.
I watched this when I was 4 years old.
Oh, wow.
I watched this puffin rock.
This is amazing animations series, Puffin Rock. These small birds. It's kind of dark basically. This
Sir,
is
knew this was puffin rock because the face, the big face that you make.
yeah, Puffin Rock face is something completely different, right? It looks very awesome. Make the leg like this, the two leg. It's kind of duck.
Sir, they are puffin.
Hmm. Puffin, right. Okay, so you can do this puffin. Puffin is here. I make this. After that, I make this land.
Sir,
This.
is that a hill or something?
Sorry, Vita.
Is that a hill?
This is like a river kind of.
Okay.
We are make something a
Puffin
river.
Rock has a beach.
Yeah, Puffin Rock have a bridge.
Puffin Rock has a beach because it's a rock middle of the ocean. It's an island middle of the ocean, so they are like beach.
Okay,
It's actually near ocean.
near oceans. Okay, so they are swimming in water, sweet water or salt water.
I think it might be sweet water.
Yes,
Salt water.
yes, this might be sweet water. So you'll make this, uh, make the rock like this. Okay, we'll make the rock like this. Okay, here and there some rock. Rock is very simple, oval kind of. See, oval kind of rock. Okay, and make it
And I
the.
only remember one of them.
Ah,
I only remember the small one's name, that is Baba.
Baba.
Yes, sir. Her name is, the small one's name is Baba.
Oh, B A. Baba. This water. And I can make something grasses over here. Okay, this is a grass you can create from water also. Grass. Everywhere the grass. This kind of grasses. Okay. Make the something kind of grass. Rock. So very simple rocks here and there.